Let's learn how to enable 120 Hz refresh rate on Android. Do you want to improve your phone usage and make any scrolling on your phone nicer and cleaner? So stay till the end to learn this. First, let's go on Apps menu, on which you need to go on your Settings app of your phone. After you are come on Settings menu, where you must scroll all the way down until you see Display option, and when you saw that option, go on it. On this menu have some important options like Is Eye Comfort Shield, Brightness and more. But for purposes of this tutorial, that options is not important, so go to scroll down to Option Motion Smoothness and open it. By default of Android system, your screen refresh rate is set on standard. That means you have 60 Hz refresh rate. And when is that set, you will have get longer battery health. And to enable 120 Hz, go to click Adaptive option. But keep in mind that when you enable 120 Hz refresh rate, you'll have a little bad battery health on your phone. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.